What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a wheelie on a small ATV, or really any ATV just in general. Now to go about doing that, it's going to depend on what size and how powerful your ATV is. If you have a bigger, more powerful, faster ATV, you could just sit there and give it some throttle and that baby get up and go. So you can do it that way if your ATV is powerful enough and big enough. Now on something like this little 110cc, that's my son's, there's no way you'd ever be able to do it, and especially for a bigger person. I'm very small, so that's easier, but for somebody else, they would never be able to do that. So I'm going to show you two ways that most people do it, and then I'm going to take this out back and do a couple myself to show you. Now the way that I like to do it is I put my one foot over here. There's more room since the brakes here on this side. I put my one foot over here, and then usually I'll put my knee right here. And that's the way I'll do it. Now some people, they like to either put both their knees back here or even just stand up on the seat to do it. That way you can pull it up and it'll help get it up. But I just put my one foot over here, my knee right here, and that'll go. I used to put it in the back here. There's a handle, and I would put it there, my foot right inside that little handle, but now I got this on there, so I don't. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out back and we'll do a couple. There you have it, how to do a wheelie on your ATV. Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace.